Today at Coyote Classics, we're going to be checking out two beautiful Survivor Impalas. The first one here is this 1966, and then also jump on YouTube and watch our video on that 67. Both just super clean, low mileage, original cars.
This is a real Survivor, Dalton. 75,000 actual miles. The original clock still works in this one.
Yeah, it's a beaut.
Done in its original, it's had one repaint, done back to factory color. It's got 327, 250 horse. Power steering, power brakes. Just bone stock under the hood. We can't verify if it's the original engine, but it is the date code correct. You know, it doesn't have the 66, didn't have the VIN on the block. Yep. So it should be the correct engine for the car.
Hood lines up really well. Front to back and back to side. Front bumper and grille, you can tell those are just original. Just a little bit of patina on there, but overall in really good shape. And it speaks to the originality of this Impala. Really straight up and down the sides. You got a set of BFG raised white letter tires on rally wheels. 327 emblems.
Yeah, this thing runs so well. We could do the video with it running. It's so quiet, but we'll go ahead and shut it down.
I'll give that to you. You can go around and show them all about it.
Sure. Still has the factory body lines, body molding here. Nice gap. Bottom of the fender's great. That bottom rocker panel molding scuffed up just a little bit here on the top side. But really nice rocker. Bottom of the door's excellent. All the way through. Over the wheel well is excellent. And when they repainted this, they did a great job. It was done, you know, a number of years ago, but it still has a great shine. Love the black vinyl top. And it's in excellent condition as well. As we look through the back window here, the back package tray is perfect. Top of the back seat's not worn. Back behind here, which is so important, just to make sure there's no bubbles, no issues. It's in really solid condition as well. As we look at the bottom of the quarters, excellent, no blisters, no issues. Again, straight car. Original door handle has some patina as well. The rubber is even original, D. See it? When they repainted it, you can see some little overspray on it, but that's still the original rubber, which also tells us that there's no way it's 175,000 miles.
Correct.
Corner of the door is good. Bottom's good. Interior is all original to my knowledge. When they did a nice job on the jams. Same thing here. The roof rail rubber is original. That should probably be replaced. If you buy it, you can do that down the road a little bit. Top of the dash is perfect on it. Steering wheel, steering column, all that's in great shape. It's got an aftermarket radio with a equalizer under the dash. Seats really nice. Shows a little wear right here on that cord. Headliner's excellent. Dome lights work in the back. Visors are nice and tight. Carpet is original as well. You can kind of see the fade here. If you can see that just a little bit. So it's really, I think it's pretty much 100% original interior as far as I can tell. What is your opinion on it?
I like it. I think it's original interior too.
Trunk lid fits good. And not an SS, but a 250 horse 327. There's nothing wrong with that. I know you say 250 horse isn't much, but back in the day, I mean, that was pretty much rated to the rear end, you know? I mean, this thing still goes.
Yep. It's really hard to see unless you're at the right angle, but there's a small ding right there.
I see that. Very small. I really like this color, especially in the sunlight.
I do too, and it's probably not going to come through the best on the video. For whatever reason, yellows and whites in video just doesn't bring it through proper, but yeah, it's a gorgeous color, especially with the black vinyl top, black interior.
Really nice. Couple little paint blems right there. A little chip right down below. Other than that, the doors, rockers, all that are in excellent shape. Got the original bow tie mirrors. As I mentioned before, the door jamb paint's nice. It's just not as nice. I'm going to say it's not as nice as the rest of the car, but it's not terrible either.
Yep.
It does have a little spot in the seat here. Looks like they taped it or something over the years. Just must be a little tiny hole. Other than that, the seat looks good. A couple stitches coming a little loose, which tells us 75,000 original miles. Which I like that, you know, and it drives like an original mile car. Look at the clock's working. Listen how easy it starts. It's nice, isn't it? Hey, I mentioned the headliner because I didn't see it on that side. It does have just a little tear, not a hole.
It looks like they tried to stitch it up or glue it a little bit at one point too.
Yeah. Surprised the horn doesn't work. Oh,
it does work.
It does. Heater fan works great.
Even the cleanliness of the lenses and everything in the dash too.
Oh yeah, 75,600 and...
You could get stuck in a hurricane with as fast as those wipers go.
You could, yeah. Gas gauge works as well. Does it got speakers under the seats?
I don't know.
I feel them on my butt.
Yeah, it does.
It must have some under the seats, which is nice or hidden. Even going into gear, just how this thing is just tuned so nicely.
It's quiet.
Yeah, every single thing works. Not a thing doesn't. You can whisper.
Oh, you could sneak up on somebody.
You could. You definitely sneak up. If you're out TPing or causing mischief, this Impala would be for you.
Yep. Sneak
No one
right
would even
on.
know you're outside.
Yeah.
They wouldn't.
You could sneak up.
We'll let her warm up a little bit, but
That breeze feels nice today, man. It's like our first day of the year at 65 degrees.
it's supposed to be winter still, you know. We'll take it though. It's classic car weather. I mean,
Yes,
it really
it
is
is.
the best. I mean, the spring and fall to me is the best classic car cruising weather.
It's not too hot, not too
Exactly.
cold.
I mean, that's.
I mean, straight as an arrow.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah, it is. Probably doing 80 miles an hour right now. 65.
Yeah, the speedometer's off a little bit. It says we're doing 70, but I think we're going a little faster than that, Big D.
Let me tell you, I'll pull up the old app and we'll see exactly what we're doing.
Doesn't it ride nice?
It rides fantastic. So we are doing 70 miles an hour right now.
Okay, so the speedometer says we're doing 62.
So it's off by about 8.
What are we doing now?
Now we're doing over 80, 82 miles an hour. Man, this thing
And
is,
no hands on the wheel, guys.
yeah, it drives that nice.
This is a sweetheart.
It is, it's a great car. Jump in it, drive it, enjoy it. Yeah.
She's definitely an interstate cruiser, even with that power glide. I mean, the RPMs are still really low, aren't they?
Yeah, it's got good gears in it. It's a sweetheart. Check her out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.